This is a Samsung A54 5G, and guess what? This phone is being locked with a passcode and we cannot get in. One day we are enjoying all the nice features on our phone, and the next day our invisible friend set up a passcode on this phone and forgot to tell us about. If this happened to you, don't worry, I'm here to help you. I'm gonna show you how to get rid of this passcode. After several attempts of trying to guess the passcode, we find out that also we cannot keep guessing forever. These options also have like a time or number of tries just for us to guess. After that, the phone will get locked and we're not gonna be able to get access into the phone anymore. Okay, as you guys can see right there, it just triggered the incorrect unlock attempt. Try again in a certain amount of time. Even when you're trying to turn off your phone, holding volume down and power, the phone still asks you for the passcode. This is a really bad time we're having right now. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. But before I proceed, let me warn you, you will lose everything on this phone. You're gonna lose your contact, you're gonna lose your pictures. Everything that is storage on this phone will be lost forever. Unless you have it saved on your Google account, then you will be fine. All right, let's begin. Let me show you a few buttons that we have on the side of this phone. We have the power button, we have the volume down and volume up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna play with these phones like so. All right, to begin this, slide up like you're going to unlock your phone, press volume down and power button at the same time. Once you get to these options right here, go ahead and press all the buttons at the same time like this. Once the phone shut off, we're gonna release volume down. All right, the phone shut off, release volume down and keep pressing on the power button and volume up. We're gonna keep pressing until it brings us to this menu right here. Perfect, that's what we're looking for. On this menu right here, we're gonna navigate with volume up and volume down. We're gonna go and hit the option Wipe Data Factory Reset. We're gonna select it with the power button. Again, it's gonna ask volume down, factory data reset. Select with the power button and our phone is gonna reset. And now all we gotta do is hit power button to reboot the system. And we from here just wait. This is how you remove the passcode on a Samsung A54 5G. This phone is completely erased. Now we can start fresh again. If you set up a Google account on this phone, this is the moment this phone is gonna ask you for it. But if you don't have it, that's a problem for another day. On today's video, we finish right here with the passcode removal or wiping out your phone, and now we got access back to this beautiful device. We can start using this device just like before. That's it for this video. I hope you like it and it helped you to gain access to your phone. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notification for future videos. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.